Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to send large files on WhatsApp. Now there is actually a trick to this. So if your image or videos are up to 5 gig and there are more than one, there is actually a tip on how to do this, and I'm going to show you guys this step, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. So you go over to your WhatsApp and you're trying to send a large file. Now the reason why I say large file is because when you are sending large file to people, the image you are sending might be big. Let's assume you want to send an image to somebody. When you click this area, you can probably go to image gallery and then you choose a particular image. Now this is actually an image. So whenever you send an image, if the image is too big, WhatsApp is going to automatically compress the image to suit the size and to make it actually look good and also quick to the device. But then this actually loses quality. Now this is the image I sent, right? And you can see on the other phone that I sent this image to, if you go over to the WhatsApp, you probably notice that it loses quality. It doesn't actually appear the same way it appears on this one. That is because it loses quality. You can notice the color or the image of this door and this one is a bit different. Now if you do not want to lose quality on an image, you click on this file and then you choose a document instead, and then you locate that particular image. So I'm going to go over to browse and I'm going to go over to camera. It's under images, right? And then this is the exact image right here, and then you can see the image is 7.1 megabytes. You click on send. So the image is going to be sent to this one, and then I'm going to save this one so that you actually compare, we actually do some comparison. So the image has been saved. So if I go over to my file area of this phone, you go to the file and then you can see the image right there. So if I click on this three-dotted and image file, you can see that this is actually 100 kilobytes. Meanwhile, the image size is supposed to be, hold on guys, this is the image right there. This is 7 megabytes. Now you can see right there, this is the image size. This is 7.7 megabytes, and you can notice right there is 100 kilobytes, which is not even up to 1 megabyte. So that is the image that was saved. So if you go back to your WhatsApp, I don't think I have received this message. I have not received it yet. For some reason I have a poor internet. That's the reason why it's taking so much time to upload. So I'm going to wait for this to upload and then we continue. Alright guys, so the image has been sent successfully. You can see it's 1.7 megabytes, which is the same thing right here. And if you click on the image, you can see you can open it. Let me just say just once, and this is the image right here. Click on the three-dotted icon, right? And then you are going to see information and everything. You can see the image is 8 megabytes. The reason why it's 8 megabytes right here is because the reason why it's 8 megabytes is because approximately 7.1 it's 8 megabytes. So that is what it says. So it's correct. You can see the image is more clear than it was before. So now that is done, and then the next thing is, how about if you want to send 3, 4 or more images and you want it to be you want it to retain the same amount of size or pixel. This is actually what you do because it's still large file, it's still under the same video content. Now go ahead and download this particular application. Go ahead and search for File Explorer. So this is actually very important because what we are doing next is very important. Use any one you want, but for this video I'm using Google File Explorer, and other ones can be more easier than this Google File Explorer because I think it's easier for me to do this on my Samsung than on the Google Pixel. So open your File Explorer, whichever File Explorer that you have, and then go to your internal storage or your storage area, and then you can see there are so many folders here. Just let that be. You want to be precise with the one you are working on, so be precise with that. Click on this three-dotted icon and you do add a new folder. Now make sure you give this a unique folder name that you can remember. So I'm going to say Trust Peak, right? Oh, I actually made a mistake on my name. Trust Peak. So click on create once you are done. I just hit create. Now try to locate the folder. This is the folder. When you click on it, you can see it's empty. Now let's move the images to this folder. So we go over to I want to go through this area because you can easily see the images. So I am going to click on this. I don't think this is an image, this is a video. This is also a video, but this is an image. This is also okay. I think it's an image. So let's say these 4 of them, let's assume maybe some of them are video, or even though they are video, you can do the same thing. Then you click on the 3-dotted icon and then you move to you know what, I don't want to move it because I don't want to lose this image. I'm going to do copy to. Now if you do move to, when you move to the new location, you are going to lose it, but when you do copy to, it's just going to duplicate the image to the next folder, and it's still going to have the same storage space. So you can see the folder we created just now, which is TrustPic, and then you click on it and then you do copy here. So it's going to move everything to that particular new folder. You see it's actually moving. So if you click cancel, it's going to cancel it. So allow it to move, and once it's complete, we'll move to the next stage. So let's allow that to complete. Okay, it's already completed. Now let's go ahead and head back to that particular folder, external storage, and then TrustPic. Now you can see we have the 4 images right here. Good. Now the next thing we need to do is to zip this folder. Now you click on the 3-dotted icon and then you do compress. So you do compress and you can give it a new name. This can be just about any name. I'm going to say zipped. This is not necessary. Give it any name you want. Zipped. And instead of giving space, I like to put that arrow just because some software might actually mistake that arrow. So zipped TrustPic. Right, and then I click compress. So this is going to start processing the compress. So once it's finished, it's going to display. So let's allow that to complete. It's almost done. Now it's complete. Now look for the zip folder. This is the zip folder. Now if you click on it, I do not want to extract. If you click on it, you can see the images are right there. These are the 4 images, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So they are all there, and then retaining the same size. It did not reduce. This is the exact size. If you can pause the video or rewind the video, you can see that the exact size are correct. So now after you selected this, go over to WhatsApp and then do the same process. Click on this attachment file and then you do attach document, or you rather select document. Now click on browse document and then you look for that zipped folder. Sorry, this is actually on images, right? So click on this area and then I'm going to do the name of the phone, and then you can see the name zipped TrustPic. So you select that and then you send. So it's going to send this as a zip file. This has started sending, so immediately you send this, it's going to be received by this person. Now if you receive it, or if you receive any zip file from anybody, all you need to do is to unzip it. So either you are using PC or mobile, is the same thing. You go to the File Explorer after you might have downloaded it. You click on the 3-dotted icon and then you are going to see an option to extract. Okay, it is not showing extract option right here. I do not know why. It is supposed to be showing extract option, but it's not showing. But anyway, if you click on it or you double click, you are going to see option to extract. Now if you click on extract, you can see it's extracting, and now it has completed. Now you can notice it says zipped file.psg extracted, and then you are going to click on done. So now you actually have to locate it. You can see the same name. This is the one it extracted, and you can see it says just now. So when you double click on it and then you click on it, you are going to see all of the image inside of it. So you can now move this image to whichever folder you want, and you can see that this has the same image storage size, or the image size. They actually retain the same image size. So this is all I want to share with you. If you have any question about this, or you have any issue concerning this, let me know on the comment section. But this should be easy for you to do, and you can see the image is still sending. I have a very terrible network. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I am going to respond to that. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.